Hello, Dave here. I'm in Leeds. Hang on, this bus goes past. It's just a quick one on technology. That's one of the big markets in Leeds. I'm on Market Street, I think they call it. But it's just when you look up above. The technology, the antennas. It's just absolutely mind-blowing. The shopping centre, I know that's not what it was originally built for, but it's one of those buildings that have survived intact. When you go along the top of the road there, it's just absolutely mind-blowing right the way along. Pretty strong, as you can hear. Reminds me so much of the streets of Amsterdam, really, because you know, you've got technology everywhere. It's another building, and just move around a bit, and there you have your phone exchange, I think it is. And then you go down there, you have the Minster. Just move around a bit, see if I can get the side of this building in, because it's spectacular from the side. People just don't look up. Mind you, I didn't up until a few months ago. That's just so much beauty and architecture from a time before ours. Now what I'll try and do, if I can just move across here while I've got the camera, just 2 secs, I'll get over the road. It's on the opposite side of the road. Leeds is one beautiful place. Just these bushes are bugger off. Right. Also right around this building you have your little cherubs. So Leeds City Markets.